Hello my friends, I got a quick video for you today. I recently learned something that I think is very important, so I'm doing this video to help spread the word. Now, as many of you know, climate change and environmental destruction is one of the biggest threats to humanity today. After all, it's hard to live when your crops are dying. Luckily, 4 farmers and their communities in Nigeria have won a long legal battle against one of the oil companies destroying the earth. The 4 farmers who began this legal battle are Bariza Doe, Elder Friday Alfred Akpan, Chief Fidelis A. Uguru, and Alali Afanga. Underground oil leaks destroyed their lands and water from 2004 to 2007. And only recently, a court in the Netherlands decided that Shell has to pay these Nigerians $16 million, which will go a long way to restoring the environment and livelihoods of the people. Furthermore, it's thought that this win for these Nigerians may lead the way for other environmentalist legal victories for other rural peoples in the future. So yeah, this is a big deal and I want more people to know about it. I'll have an article and video linked in the description if you want to learn more about the details. If you're new to the channel, I'm Red Spirit Mask and most of my content is about African culture. If that sounds interesting to you, then please subscribe for more. And you can click that bell icon to be notified when we upload content.